everyone! How are you guys? This week in our learning packets, we're encouraged to be letter and word detectives. So that means we can go outside and we can look for different letters and words, kind of like a scavenger hunt. So friends, I wanted to bring some things with me on my scavenger hunt. One, I'm going to need something to write with, so I'm choosing to use a marker. Two, I'm going to bring my scavenger hunt chart. For this chart, I chose a few different letters that I want to look for when I'm on my neighborhood walk. What letters do you see? There's a letter S, P, E, T, and R. I'm going to bring this with me on my walk, and if I find any of these letters, I'm going to practice writing the letter right next to it in this row. So if I find S's, I'll write some S's here. If I find P's, I'll write some P's here. I wonder which letter I'll find the most of. And families, if this is not challenging enough for your preschooler, you can do the same thing, but with words you might find outside. Preschoolers, I wonder, do you think we can figure out these words? Stop. Stop. Keep. Keep. Nice work. It. Oh. No. Oh, this one's tricky. I remember a T and an H makes a different sound. The. So families, you can choose whichever kind of scavenger hunt that you'd like to go on with your preschooler. Today, I'm going to do a letter scavenger hunt, and I'm going to bring some tools with me. If you have a magnifier at home, you might want to bring this with you. It can help you look really closely at some small letters that you might find. If you don't have a magnifier, you can use a tube, a cardboard tube, just like this. You can use this to help you find some more words too. All right, friends, so let's make sure to be safe when we're outside. I'm bringing something to wear on my face if I get too close to people, and I'm going to remember to wash my hands. That way we're going to keep those germs away. All right, friends, get your shoes on, get your jackets on. Let's go.
Okay, friends, I found my first sign in my neighborhood. Do you see some letters on the sign? I notice it is a red shape with 8 sides called an octagon. Let me see if any of these letters match up to my scavenger hunt chart. I notice a letter S is the same. What else? I see a letter P is the same. Do you notice any letter E's in our sign? I see some small letter E's on the white rectangle. How many do you see? 1, 2. 2. Do we see a T or an R? Let's check. I see a big letter T, and I see a small letter R in the white rectangle. Do you see it too? Awesome work. I'm going to practice writing my letters in my chart. Let's see what we can find next. Okay, friends, this is what I found from our stop sign. How many letter S's do I have? Yeah, just one letter S. How many P's? I have 2 letter P's. Did I find E's? Nice, 2 letter E's. 1, 2, 3 letter T's, and 1 R. Great work. Okay, so I found another sign. This sign's a little bit different. Let me know what you see. This is a new sign that you might see in your neighborhood. I see lots of different letters. Let's see, the first letter that I have on my checklist is a letter S. Do you see a letter S? Yeah, at the very beginning. So let's practice making a letter S. We have a curve, diagonal line, and then another curve. Great. Next up is letter P. Do we have any letter P's? Nope, no P's. I'm not going to practice making a P for this one. How about next we have a letter E? You're right, I see 1, 2, 3 letter E's. Let's make some E's, friends. We have a big line going down, frog jump up to the top, little line, jump to the middle, little line, jump to the bottom, little line. Going to make 3 of these letter E's. Ooh, it's getting windy. Hold on to your papers, friends. Great. Let's see what's next. A letter T. Do you see any T's? 1, 2. 2 letter T's. We have a big line going down, frog jump up to the top, and we have a little line up top. That's 1 T and 2 T's. Great work, guys. And a letter R. Do you see a letter R? Nice work. I found one. Did you? Let's add it to our chart. We have a big line going down, jump up to the top, little curve to the middle, woo, and a little diagonal line. Great work, friends. We're finding lots of letters. Let's keep going. I found another big sign in my neighborhood. This sign says Seattle University, which is a school that I live nearby. Do you see any of our letters in this sign? Let's start with the letter S. I see a letter S at the very, very top. Nice job. Any other letter S's? Another one. Let's see, what other letters do you notice? Do you notice any letter P's? Let's look. No letter P's. Let's try a letter T. Starting at the top, and let's see. 1, 2. 2 letter T's in the word Seattle. Let's try the word university. Nice, 3 letter T's. Great work, friends. Make sure to add that to your chart.
All right, everybody, I'm all done with my scavenger hunt. I'm home now. I washed my hands, and now I'm ready to look at the letters that I found. During my hunt, I was looking for letter S, P, E, T, and R. Take a look at my data. Which letter has the most? I see the letter E and the letter T. Sure has a lot of letters in their row. I'm wondering, do you think that they might be the same or equal? They might be. Which one has the least? That means the smallest amount of letters. Yeah, I think it's the letter P. I'm looking at the letters here and I only see 1, 2 letter P's. Now I'm wondering, can you help me figure out who has more, the letter E or the letter T? Let's try to figure that out together. Okay, friends. Letter E. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letter E's. I'm going to use a marker and write the number 8. Great. Let's try the letter T now. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Letter 8. Is this the same or different? It's the same. That means I found 8 letter E's and 8 letter T's. They are equal. Great work. I wonder, how many letter S's do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. A number 4. 4, 2, 8, 8. And let's try our letter R's. 1, 2, 3. We found 3 letter R's. All right, friends. I hope that you had fun on the scavenger hunt with me. And families, if you don't feel comfortable going outside for a neighborhood scavenger hunt, you can do the same activity inside your house, looking at different letters you find inside different rooms in your house. Okay, I hope that you guys stay safe, enjoy the scavenger hunt, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.